Hello guys, today I've got T-Mobile Router DL5M2 and I'm going to show you how you can easily use the backup, how to import it and how to use it. You need to at first log in to the admin panel, which is on the IP address you're given here on this sticker, website 192.168.1.1. So here we are. You need to here tap these three lines in the top right corner and tap System. Now here tap Profile. Once you have your profile exported earlier, if you did this, you can here tap Select File. Now here I've got Profile Backup. You need to find your file here and now tap Import. Device will reboot. Are you sure? Yes, I am sure. Click OK. Okay, I've got no response. I have no idea why. But this is this file. Import. Yes. Now it worked. Now our device will be restarted. Here, as you can see, now we have red light. So that's it.